โดนแล้วไหวครับโดนเลยครับปัดขวาโอ้ครับเรียบร้อยครับจบเลยครับ
An uppercut to the head. Big right uppercut from Herlin. Officially down again, and that's going to ending that combination with a left hook. Right uppercut from Herlin, and he's down as well. And it doesn't look like Japan. Right hand and left hook there from, and there we go. Right uppercut there to end. Right uppercut there, and for a second time.
Isang batang Pinoy prospect ang kasalukuyang ABF at WBC Silver Bantamweight Champion na si Herlan Gomez ang may potensyal na maging World Champion sa hinaharap at posibleng makasagupan nito ang monster ng Japan na si Naoya Inoue. Si Herlan Gomez ay may record sa kasalukuyan na 12 wins, 1 loss at 9 knockouts. Samantala ang batang prospect na ito ay mabilis at malakas din ang kamao nito. Katunayan 7 sunod-sunod na knockout ang naipanalo ng ating pambato. At nakaraang taon lang 6 na beses na lumaban si Herlan Gomez sa labas ng bansa. At ang 4 na nasagupan nito ay mga veterano na sa boxing. Isa na nga dyan nitong January 25, 2023 na ginanap sa bansang Thailand na kung saan hinarap ni Herlan Gomez ang Thai fighter na si Tanachai Kamon. Sa round 2 ay nakipagsabayan ang Thai fighter sa Pinoy, ngunit di kinaya nito ang lakas ni Gomez at bumagsak ang Thai boxer. Sa pagbangon nito ay pinaulanan ng kaliwat kanan ni Gomez ang Thai boxer na nagresulta ng muling pagbagsak nito, kaya tinigil na ng referee ang laban. Panalo si Gomez via second round technical knockout. Isang buwan lang ang pagitan. February 22, 2023 ay balik Thailand si Herlan Gomez para sagupayan ang veteranong Thai fighter na si Wicha Pulaikau na may record na 64 wins, 28 knockouts. 19 na Pinoy na ang tinalo nito at ito ang pagkakataon na makaganti ang ating kababayan.
ของปิกนี่ต่อยลำตัวครับดีครับชัยภูมินี่ก็มีอดีตแชมป์โลกเลยครับพิชิตสิทธิ์บางพระจันทร์เลยครับเกิดที่นั่นโอ้โหหลวงตัวหนักๆครับมาแล้วครับผ่านอีกขั้นของเฮอร์ลันโกเมสนะครับก่อนที่บรรดามวยสร้างของประเทศไทยนี่
Sa round 2 ay nakatikim ang Thai boxer ng matinding right jab sa katawan.
มาแล้วครับโอ้โหโดนลำตัวครับร่วงเลยครับปิกนี่หมัดขวาเต็มๆครับอาจารย์วรวุฒิเดือนขาวนับเลยครับโอ้ดูครับทำหน้าตาเย๋เก๋ไปต่อครับไปต่อโอ้โหพร้อมหรือเปล่าครับSa pagtayo ng Thai boxer ay pinunteriya naman ni Gomez ang ulo nito kaya muli itong napaluhod. ดูครับต่อยหมัดขวาแน่นๆมาแล้วครับหมัดชุดครับโอ้คราวนี้โดนหน้าเต็มๆครับยังสู้อยู่ครับอยู่ในช่วง10 วินาทีสุดไม่รีบครับเฮอร์ลันโกเมสครับ
Sa round 3 ay muling pinakain muli ni Gomez ng kaliwat kanang kamao ang Thai boxer.
โอ้แต่ว่าโดนซ้ายขวาเอาหมัด1 2 3 4มาเป็นชุดเลยครับโอ้โหอยากกระหาฝนมีท้าเรียกปิกนี่ครับบอกว่าต่อยเข้ามาตอนนี้ครับขอคืนบ้างครับไม่ใช่บอยสเกาต์แต่ก็ขอโอ้โหโดนฮุกซ้ายเต็มใครดีใครอยู่ครับใครอึดกว่าใครทนกว่าเอ้าโอ้โหโดนครับปัดเต็มๆครับแหมร่วงไม่ร่วงครับโดนบัดขวาเลยครับโอ้ต้องทิ้งตัวครับโดนเยอะจริงๆครับชุดนี้อาจารย์วรวุฒิต้องนับอีกครั้งหนึ่งครับอาจารย์วรวุฒิยังให้โอกาสครับโอ้โหบวกบัตรครับ 1-2 ทางมาถึงยกที่4นะครับ
Sa pagpasok ng round 4 ay muling pinaulanan ni Gomez na makakombinasyon ang Thai boxer kaya't muli itong bumagsak sa ika-4 na pagkakataon.
โอ้ไหวไม่ไหวครับโดนเลยครับบัดขวาโอ้ร่วง
Kaya suminyas na ang referee na tapos na ang laban.
โอ้ร่วงลงไปครับเรียบร้อยครับจบเลยครับ
Panalo si Gomez via 4th round technical knockout at isang buwan lang din ang pagitan. March 30, 2023 ay balik Thailand si Herlan Gomez na kung saan isa na naman na veteranong Thai fighter ang kanyang makakaharap na si Pisano Chemsontom na may record na 47 wins, 16 knockouts at dating naging WBA World Challenger versus Kazuto Iyuka. Ang Thai boxer na ito ay may 15 na Pinoy na ang tinalo nito at dito hindi umubra ang Thai boxer sa ating pambato.
And 2 draws. Whereas Herlan from the opponent definitely does look very strong for the 53.5 kilogram. Good right hand there from Herlan.
Sa round 2 ay nakatikim ng bagsik ng kamao ni Gomez ang Thai fighter.
Body here from Herlan. Hand of his, just like that. Oh, and that was super quick.
Sa pagtayo nito ay tumama naman ang matinding right uppercut ni Gomez.
Two here. Oh, he is. Herlin coming in again. Shots to the body from Herlin and uppercut to the head. Big right uppercut. And Visanu is down again for a second time.
Sa muling pagtayo nito ay muling binakbakan ni Gomez ang Thai fighter para tapusin na sana ang laban. Ngunit saved by the bell.
10 seconds to pile on the pressure. And he's throwing everything he can at Visanu. And there you go. Saved by
Sa round 3 ay tumama ang kanang kamao ni Gomez dahil lang sa pag-iwang nito.
Whoa, great right hand there and that push.
Sa pagkakataong ito nakakuha ng tiyempo si Gomez ng isang matinding left hook dahilan ng di na pagtayo ng Thai boxer.
From Herlin. Visanu down again and that's going to be it. Referee.
Panalo si Herlin Gomez by a third round technical knockout. Makalipas ang 2 buwan, May 25, 2023, ay muling bumalik sa Thailand ang ating kababayan na si Herlin Gomez na kung saan hinarap niya rito ang isa na naman na Thai fighter na si Jackpan Santong.
Okay. Both these two having a fight in the phone booth around, rallying back with his own 1-2 and going to the body and to the head, pouring on the pressure early on in round 2. Very well placed right hand to the body there from Jackpan, and again he goes back. Jackpan's guard lowers to protect his body from the body shots. Good body shot there from Herlin. Right hand connects, misses with the...
Sa round 2 dahil matibay din ang muka ng Thai fighter, ay pinunterian ni Gomez ang katawan nito at binigyan ng kaliwat kanang jab sa katawan ang Thai boxer. Dahilan sa pamimilipit ng sakit ang Thai boxer at di na nagawang makatayo pa.
Down the middle, ending that combination with a left hook. Right uppercut from Herlin. And he's down! Jackpan is down! It was the left uppercut to the body. Beforehand he landed the right uppercut to the body as well, and it doesn't look like Jackpan's gonna get up. And
Panalo si Gomez by a second round knockout. Matapos ang 3 buwan, August 26, 2023, ay dumayo si Herlin Gomez sa Dubai na kung saan hinarap niya rito ang Indian fighter na si Vikas Dahiya. Sa round 1 ay tinapos kaagad ni Gomez ang laban nang makipagsabayan ang Indian fighter sa Pinoy. Tinamaan ito ng lever shot sa tagiliran dahilan sa pag-ayaw nito sa laban. Panalo si Herlin Gomez by a first round technical knockout. 1 buwan matapos ang laban. September 28, 2023, ay balik Thailand si Herlin Gomez para paglabanan ang WBC Asian Silver Bantamweight title na kung saan harapin niya rito ang veterano at world title challenger na si Kumgrits Nantapets. Tracing Pinoy na din ang nakalaban ng Thai fighter na ito. Siyam rito ang kanyang tinalo. Ang ilan sa Pinoy boxer na kanyang nakalaban, sina Albert Pagara, Froilan Salodar, Donnie Nietes at Karhamis Martin. Samantala si Kumgrits Nantapets ay may record na 32 wins, 8 losses at 25 knockouts. Habang si Herlin Gomez ay may record na 10 wins, 1 loss at 7 knockouts. Samantala sa pagsimula ng laban parang sisiw lang kay Gomez. Ang kalaban nitong veteranong Thai boxer. Gamit ang bilis at lakas para dominahin ang laban.
right hand there from Herlin. From what I remember from Herlin, it was making me remember. Great right hand connects for Herlin as he goes low and then high. Twice with the body shot. Second one looked like that really affected Concrete. And Herlin trying his own shots. It looks like Herlin's just beating him to the punch. Uppercut right hand from Herlin. Jab down the middle from Herlin too. One, two, and then uppercut there from Herlin. Overhand right there from Herlin, and that took Concrete off balance.
Sa round 1 ay dito tinamaan ng left uppercut ang Thai fighter dahilan sa pagbagsak nito.
Right hand and left hook there from Herlin, and right there, that was the first knockdown. Concrete is on the canvas, no surprise. We've got 30 seconds
Nagawa
left.
pa makatayo ang Thai boxer, ngunit muli itong tinamaan ng counter right uppercut. At dito di na nakatayo at itinigil na ang laban.
From Herlin. Right uppercut there, and for a second time, and that's it being waited. And there we go, right uppercut there to end it. Of Herlin Gomez is the new WBC Asia Silver.
Panalo si Herlin Gomez via first round knockout at matagumpay na nakuha ng ating pambato ang WBC Silver Belt. Samantala nito lang May 11, 2024 ay muling napalaban si Herlin Gomez sa bansang Malaysia na kung saan hinarap niya rito ang isa na naman na veteranong Thai fighter at kasalukuyang WBA Asia Champion na si Sokpraset Ponpitak na may record na 29 wins, 20 knockouts. 7 Pinoy na rin ang tinalo ng Thai boxer na ito. Sa pagsimula ng laban ay hindi nirespeto ng ating pambato ang veteranong Thai champion at agad nitong binakbakan ang Thai boxer.
Hook yang begitu baik yang dilakukan oleh Herlin. Tidak balas daripada hook yang sudah tertutup sama sekali. Selalunya kalau hook yang dilakukan tidak akan susulannya. Tapi petinju Thai ini bermain secara terbuka, memberi ruang kepada Herlin untuk melancarkan serangan yang tepat ke sasaran. Perhatikan lagi sekali, serangan demi serangan yang dilakukan, hook yang tidak menjadi kali ini. Jab demi jab yang dilakukan, sekali uppercut yang dilakukan dan giliran bagi Super masih lagi mampu. Satu hook yang tidak kena, nasib baik bagi Super. Satu hook yang kuat dilakukan lagi serang menyerang di antaranya. Satu hook yang berkali aris yang dilakukan oleh Herlin berjaya dipisahkan. Dan rata-rata petinju dari Filipina ini tidak mengizinkan.
Sa round 3 ay dito na ginulpi at nagpakawala ng kaliwat kanang kombinasyon ang ating pambato.
Herlin menembus dari belakang dan sekarang peluang bagi Herlin untuk menjatuhkan ataupun untuk mendapatkan mata sehingga satu temukan susulan yang begitu baik. Hook demi hook yang dilakukan oleh Herlin sekarang ini. Banyak menggunakan hook terhadap.
At dito nabilangan ng referee ang Thai boxer.
Terpaksa bertahan dan nampaknya dia menguasai permainan. Herlin nampak yakin dan diberhentikan oleh pengadil. Dan dikawal diberikan oleh Suraidi pengadil.
Sa pagpatuloy ng laban ay dito tinamaan ng ating pambato ng malutong na left hook ang Thai boxer.
Jadi kali yang pertama yang dipungut dan inilah Herlin
Dahil sa bugbog at matinding tama ay di na tumayo ang Thai boxer. Panalo si Herlin Gomez via third round knockout. Anong masasabi mo sa naging laban ng ating kababayan? At hanggang sa muli mga kaboksing, paki-like at subscribe na rin para sa ganitong mga laban. Maraming salamat po.